finally watching season 4 of Justice League Unlimited. Yeah, we're almost done watching this series. So guys, if you want to see the rest of my reaction to this show, make sure that you like, subscribe, and let's watch this first episode of season 4. Red Canary.
Wildcat, it's Black Canary.
Yeah, I was right.
Where are you?
Sorry, baby. Oh, I got hung up.
This is getting old, Ted. You need a hand?
Nah, just sit tight. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Would those be real minutes or Wildcat minutes?
Hey, come on.
Yeah, what get minutes?
Over there. Larry.
Oh, oh. Yeah, I knew that, Black Canary does scream. I was gonna ask if she has a superpowers, but well, this confirms it.
I don't think this one's getting up again. And that means we have a winner. Still the undefeated champ, Wildcat!
Oh, she didn't know about this.
You're telegraphing. You gotta center yourself.
Center myself. Got it.
She knows how to fight. She just wants to get close to you. Come on, stop pretending like you don't know how to fight.
You're good.
You should see me when I'm trying.
I'd like that. In fact, I could use your help on something. But the League can't know. I'll explain once we're on the surface.
I don't know. Sounds fishy.
I promise. It's for a good cause. How about a wager? If I can get out of this hold, you help me.
Deal.
See, I told you she was pretending.
I'll drive. You can hold on to me if you want.
So tell me about Wildcat. What's so secret you couldn't talk about it in the watchtower?
He's doing meta brawls. Illegal no-holds-barred cage fighting. Mostly super-powered criminals or guys with chemical enhancements. Only rule, they...
What is this?
We want to help you, Ted. We want to get you out of here.
Why, does it look like I have a problem?
You do if you don't see what you've become here. You're entertainment for these people. The rooster in a cockfight.
Fighting is what I do, all right? It's all I was ever good at, and I'm still good at it. I'm Wildcat.
Probably his father, right? I mean, her father.
You're so much more than that.
Anyway, I can leave anytime I want. I don't need help.
Then leave. Right now.
Huh. I'm fighting Atomic Skull tonight, and you know he deserves a beating.
Ted, come on.
Hey, I was the greatest, all right? I fought them all, and I beat...
So you want to get him out of this quietly, because you don't want him thrown out of the league.
Or worse.
All right. But I saw the look in his eye. He's not gonna budge.
Then I hope I can count on you for Plan B.
Now, this was their plan. It was to make sure that, Oliver goes in the fight a Wildcat.
You drop something?
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Meta Brawl. Place your bets and take your seats.
Oh yeah, that looks painful.
Show's over, folks.
Oh yeah. She chose them. I mean, he chose them. Seriously, come on, go and help them.
Sorry about getting you into this.
Forget the apology. Just do that sonic scream of yours.
I can't. At this range, it would kill them. I have a better idea. How would you like to see two League members fight each other? Me and Wildcat. In the cage right now. That make you some money?
Oh, definitely.
Oh no. I know your game now.
It's not always a game.
No? Come here. Look me in the eye and say so.
Come on, I really wanted to see the fight.
Don't worry. You'll still get your main event.
But with me instead.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourselves for the world's first cage fight between two heroes, right here at Meta Brawl. However, there's been a change in the program. Instead of Black Canary, Wildcat will be fighting Green Arrow.
There's no way. I'm not fighting him. Canary could have held her own, but not this guy.
Oh, you don't know him. We have no idea about. He's a good fighter, but I think his specialization, is in equipment.
What's the matter, Cat? Afraid?
He's not a fighter.
I know what it is. Maybe you'd rather fight a woman.
That idiot.
Come on, do better.
Arrow! What do you think you're doing?
Teaching the teacher a lesson.
Yeah, seems like you're getting teached lesson.
Wildcat, stop it!
He asked for it.
So when are you gonna start, has-been?
I don't think he's trying to fight Wildcat, or I don't think he's trying.
I don't have any powers. And you're still too old to knock me out.
What have you done?
I'll tell you what he's done. He's taken the fights to a whole new level. Think of the word that'll spread from this. Anything's
No one cares about money, about yourself.
clear millions.
No, I'm out. And this time, I mean it.
Of course he will. Just not here.
Oh, he's destroying it. She's destroying everything.
I'm sorry for what I put you through. But don't worry. Seeing a dead body from my hands, it knocked me back to my senses.
I believe you, but I'd like some assurance it's gonna stick.
Excuse me?
Things like this, sometimes you can't stop all by yourself, no matter how much you want to.
Believe me, fighting's nowhere near as tough as this is gonna be.
How's he doing?
He'll make it. How about you? You recovering okay?
I've had worse.
I wouldn't brag about that.
Care to join me for a cup of coffee?
Yeah.
Good. You're buying.
He's like, yeah, you're by. This is the way, actually one reason he stayed in the league because of a year. So, the win-win. Another incredible episode. What else can I say? It's an incredible episode. Seriously. This one even focuses on Black Canary, Wildcat, and Green Orange. Pushing the relationship that they kind of teased in the beginning of season 3 about Green Arrow and Black Canary, So I'm actually like that it's going somewhere now because now they're in the joking. Now they're in the joking. They kind of, showed each other that they liked each other now that, of course, trying it out. So I really like this episode. It's just talking about how you can go so far if you don't stop yourself from fighting, especially when you're a hero. When you're a hero, you're not supposed to be doing other things. Well, not like you're supposed to be living your life, but you're supposed to always fight. When you're fighting, you're supposed to be fighting the evil guys, the bad guys, so that you protect the innocent, the way that they can protect themselves. That's what a hero is supposed to do when going out and fighting clubs, so that just earn some money. I don't know. I think these people, these spyros, they get paid to be spyros. They can just be spyros. Of course, maybe they want to save people. It's obvious. All the people who join, they want to save people, but they can just do that only without having some money, or some work. So I think you get some percentage of being a hero, or maybe not. I don't know. We know that other like he's a reporter, so I guess he gets some money, but obviously Bruce wants to Jerry Planet, so yeah, he's paying him with his own money. Yeah, there's that. So yeah, I think this was a great episode about showing about that. So guys, if you like my reaction, make sure that you do leave a like, subscribe. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.